Hey guys, I'm Lina and welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is a bit different because it's not exactly a vlog, it's a challenge. It's called the Dopamine Detox Challenge. So basically, this challenge I came across, my brother told me about this, and it sounds a bit sophisticated, but it's not. So basically, it's a challenge where you do not do the things that you usually do and which gives you pleasure. So like I'm not saying कि दुनिया से सारी खुशियाँ हटा दो, but let me explain with examples. Like you cannot have sugar, you should not use social media. If you are a coffee addict, don't drink coffee, and remove other addictions that you have. So why is this a dopamine detox challenge? Because when you do such thing, your body produces dopamine. So our aim is to reduce the dopamine production. And what will be the result? It might help you lower down your addiction. I do not have any such addictions, but I mean, for me, it's mostly a social media detox challenge, but let's make it sophisticated. So, the basic rules that we have today are no coffee or tea, no sugar, no music, no social media, usually no internet too, but since my practicals are approaching and I need to do a research for economics, that would be a bit difficult because that's an important task. So only for that I'll use the internet, otherwise no internet, and no junk food. So I'm done with breakfast. It is 10:30 right now and I thought कि मैं न्यूज़पेपर भी पढ़ लूँगी, बट आज न्यूज़पेपर आया नहीं, पता नहीं क्यों. एंड कल ही मैंने अपने फ़ोन से सारे ऐप्स डिलीट कर दिए थे, लाइक इंस्टाग्राम, वी लाइव के ड्रामा वाला ऐप, स्पॉटिफाई, यूट्यूब. एंड फॉर व्हाट्सएप आई डिड नॉट डिलीट इट बिकॉज देन आई हैव टू टेक अ बैकअप. वो सब थोड़ा मेहनत वाला काम हो जाएगा. सो आई जस्ट पुट अ लिमिट ऑन द ऐप. सो द सोल पर्पस ऑफ यूजिंग माई फोन टुडे विल बी टू रिकॉर्ड दिस व्लॉग. आई वोंट यूज़ इट फॉर एनी अदर थिंग. आई हैव स्विच्ड ऑफ द वाईफाई, मोबाइल डेटा सब बंद है. And this challenge does not have any like scientific approval. I don't know what you call it, but I think from what I have read, it says that it's not scientifically guaranteed that this is going to help you reduce your dopamine production or reduce your addiction. But since it's a challenge, I thought, why not give it a try? I just need vlog content, so yeah, that's why I'm doing this. So yeah, let's go on with our day. I have a to-do list ready and now I'll start with it. Raindrops came down on me, the sky became the sea. I find it difficult to trace the face you please. So please, don't flick the blade around, you'll cut my delicacy. Oh, we bathed under the stars until we fell apart. And now, so I'm done studying accounts. I studied for 1 hour and it was a really good study session because I was fully concentrated and I have been procrastinating on studying accounts for the longest time now, but now I could finally with full concentration be focused and study, which was really satisfying. But now the problem is I'm really craving coffee. I just want to drink coffee. So I'm feeling a bit sleepy too and I just want to drink coffee, but I cannot. Now I'm just gonna take a break, but for a change, this break is not gonna be a social media break. So most probably I'll just lie down and do nothing. Raindrops came down on me, the sky became the sea. I find it difficult to trace the face you please. So please, don't flick the blade around, you'll cut my delicacy. So मैंने आधा घंटा ही BST पढ़ा, बट my task was done, which was to complete and update my notes. That is done. I need to study for my practicals though. I just briefly went through it, but उतना काफ़ी है अभी के लिए. लाइक एक साथ में कोई याद नहीं होगा, तो मैंने अपना मेन काम तो कर लिया जो मुझे करना था. बट आई फील सो लॉस्ट एंड एम्प्टी बिकॉज मैं सोचा यार कुछ नहीं है. फ़ोन खोलो भी, देर आर नो एप्स टू गो थ्रू. आई लिटरली हैव नथिंग दैट आई कैन स्क्रोल थ्रू. कि मैंने लिटरली टीम्स ही खोली है कि कुछ तो ऐप खोलूँ, कुछ तो देखूँ. मैं टीम्स खोला भी तब भी मेरा वाईफाई ऑफ है, नो इंटरनेट, आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. इसीलिए ही मैंने अपने ऐप्स अनइंस्टॉल करे, बिकॉज आई नो एट अ पॉइंट आई विल बी बोर्ड एंड फ्रस्ट्रेटेड दैट आई विल ओपन माई फ़ोन एंड स्क्रोल थ्रू समथिंग. इसलिए मैंने सारे ऐप्स पे लिमिट लगाने से अच्छा डिलीट ही कर दिया, क्योंकि दीज आर दी ऐप्स विच विल डिस्ट्रैक्ट मी. कुछ भी नहीं है करने को मेरे पास, दैट आई हैड टू लिटरली ओपन टीम्स कि मेरे को कुछ तो दो स्क्रॉल करने के लिए. इट फील्स सो वियर्ड. फाइनली 1 बज गए हैं एंड आई एम हैविंग लंच जो मम्मी ने दिया. अच्छे से खा रहे हैं. मुझे आपको अच्छा लग रहा है मैं टेबल पर बैठ के खाना खा रहा हूँ विदाउट वॉचिंग वीडियो.
यस,
बट ज़्यादा खुश मत होना एक ही दिन के लिए.
हम आगे से वैसे पहले भी तो वैसे ही करते थे.
अब ऐसे नहीं होगा, आज एक ही दिन के लिए है. ये तो ना पिंक पिंक इसलिए लग रहा है बिकॉज इट्स बीटरूट. सो आई एम गोना हैव लंच नाउ. सो आई एम डन विद लंच. इतने दिनों बाद मेरा लंच इतनी जल्दी ख़त्म हुआ है, वरना आई एम ऑलवेज वॉचिंग के ड्रामा वाइल हैविंग लंच. सो माई लंच एक्सीड्स टू 1 to 2 hours. बस मैं लेके बैठी रहती हूँ, बट आज जल्दी हो गया. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़, मेरी आदत है हमेशा लंच के बाद कुछ मीठा खाने की. एंड नाउ आई एम क्रेविंग समथिंग स्वीट, बट आई कैन नॉट हैव समथिंग स्वीट. तो आई हैव टू कंट्रोल माई सेल्फ एंड restrict from eating anything else now. So since now I don't have anything to do, I think I'll read something. So people say that during this challenge you are not allowed to read, while some say it is okay to read. So I don't know what's the main thing, or is it right to read? But there is no right or wrong in this challenge for me. I do whatever I want. That's just kidding. Anyways, I am going to read because it's been a long time since I read something. For a change, I'll just read non-fiction. I started this book before my exams. I left it during my exams and then I did not start again. So I'm gonna continue with this book. So yeah, I'll read for the meantime and then around 3 we'll be back to work. So I read my novel and took a small nap and started working again at 3, but problem is I'm feeling very sleepy. आज मैंने जब भी ब्रेक लिया I just slept. I don't know why I never sleep so much. Like आज I woke up late, I woke up at 9 and then I'm again feeling sleepy throughout the day. I don't know what's the problem. I'm not such a coffee addict that I cannot stay awake without coffee, but I'm feeling very tired for no reason. I have not done any such tiresome work that I will feel so drained out, but I just feel very tired and sleepy. So I don't know if it's the weather or the fact that I did not have anything sweet or any type of caffeine consumption till now that I'm feeling drained out, but something is really different now. If it's the challenge, then okay, now it feels like a challenge. Look at the sky, guys. Oh my god, so pretty. And there's a rainbow. Looks so pretty. So I just washed my hair and that's why it looks like this. I look weird. It's 6:30 right now and I'm having my snacks, but unfortunately it's not something junk or anything like that, but I'm having aloo paratha because I cannot have junk food. Like usually for snacks, I prefer something junk, or not even junk but something other than roti chawal and all. But it's okay. I like aloo ka paratha, so it's fine. For you guys, I think it would be just another normal study vlog because that's all I did in this vlog. I think from the viewer's point of view, this would be normal vlog, but it is different for me. I just want to watch K-drama right now because I'm just so much in the habit of watching something while eating that it's weird to not do that. By the way, I'm just gonna do this challenge till 10 o'clock because I have to watch at least one episode of K-drama. My day will be so empty without it. So, firstly, I'm thinking about doing shoutouts in my videos. Like everyone in the comments is like, can you pin my comment? Can you pin my comment? And I usually do. But sometimes it happens that several people say that and I can only pin one comment. So I feel bad for the others whom I could not pin. So tell me in case you are interested. I will start giving shoutouts in my videos from the next vlog. Talking about the next vlog, from my next vlog I'll be different. Like in what way I don't know, but this is the last time you're seeing me like this. Sounds scary, but yeah. Here's a task for you today. Let me know in the comments what you think might change about me, because you're never gonna see this me ever again. So I want you to comment down below what you think is gonna change. And even if I give you a heart or reply to your comment, it does not necessarily mean that your answer is correct. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Even if you comment the correct answer or the wrong answer, you will directly see it in the vlog, in the next vlog. So comment down below what you think is gonna change, and yeah, let's see who gets it right. So I told you I'd directly meet you at 10 p.m. but I think it's time to break my dopamine fast. It's 8:50 right now and I feel done. Like I can't take this anymore. By the way, मेरे इधर pimple हो गया था, so that's why I've applied something over here, so please excuse that. Yeah, so अब I think it's enough. Like 12 hours का कर लिया मैंने challenge, which is fine I believe. And now I just want to scroll through YouTube. So yeah, I'll end the challenge here. Honestly, it was not very difficult. Like I am a picky eater, so there were some points where I felt like eating something sweet or drinking coffee or eating junk food. So that was a bit difficult, but it's bearable. Since it's holidays and nothing much to study, like I cannot study, like रगड़ के नहीं पढ़ सकती until I have that exam pressure. So अभी कुछ वैसा है नहीं, so I cannot study beyond a limit. So that's why अभी बस इतना काफ़ी था. Yeah, I think I did the challenge pretty well. I did it honestly and strictly followed the rules. And also don't forget the task that I mentioned to you of telling me what's gonna change about me, and this is the last time that you're seeing me like this. You will know the correct answer in my next vlog, so stay tuned for that. And I'll wrap up this vlog here today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Again, I'm saying Study with Alina ka ending. So share this video with your friends and maybe try this challenge for yourself and see how it works out. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.